Hello students, you all know that we are going through a crucial moment due to this pandemic COVID-19. So in these crucial moments, the studies should not get hampered. So to encourage your study, today I am going to teach a chapter from geography for the class 7 student, and the chapter is atmosphere. So atmosphere. Now what is the atmosphere? As we all know that we are breathing, what we are breathing? We are breathing oxygen. The plants are preparing their food by the carbon dioxide. Now where this oxygen, this carbon dioxide, they are present? They are present in the atmosphere. Now what is this atmosphere? So we will discuss here about this atmosphere, its composition, structure, and all about. See, the word atmosphere has been derived from the Greek word atmos, means gases, and sphere means layer. So atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds the earth, or you can say it is an envelope to the earth. It is a gaseous envelope to the earth. Now, what is this atmosphere composed of? Means, now atmosphere is made up of different things. Now, what are those things? See, composition of the atmosphere. I have made a chart. So, first composition is gases. Next comes water vapor. Next comes dust particles. Now, gases. Among the gases, you see nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, methane, helium, krypton. Now, you see the nitrogen is 78.08%. It is the maximum amount present in the atmosphere. Next comes oxygen. It is about 20.94%. Next, you see carbon dioxide, what is 0.14%. Sorry, 0.41%, and argon is 0.93%. And all other gases, they are found in very little amount. Now you see, here I have given the importance of the three main gases. That is nitrogen. It is essential for the growth of plants. It is also essential for the making of nitrogenous fertilizer. Next comes oxygen. We all know that oxygen is essential for the breathing and combustion. Next, carbon dioxide, it is essential for photosynthesis. And you can also say that carbon dioxide acts as a greenhouse gas. It regulates the temperature of the earth. Next comes water vapor. Water vapor means when the different water bodies, they are getting heated up, and this heat is responsible for the evaporation, and this vaporized water is called water vapor. Now this water vapor is important for precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall, snowfall. These are called precipitation. So without the water vapor in the atmosphere, precipitation is not possible. Next, dust particles. These dust particles helps in the cloud formation. You see, the clouds are there. This is due to these dust particles. And they also scatter the sun rays, and they give different colors to the sky. You see the different colors of the sky? This color of the sky is due to this scattering of the solar radiation by the dust particles. So, here I have said about the atmosphere's definition and composition of the atmosphere. Now we will read about the structure of the atmosphere, means how the atmosphere is arranged according to its composition or temperature. So now students, we will read about the structure of the atmosphere. Now, if we arrange the atmosphere according to its gaseous composition and temperature, we will see that atmosphere is having 5 layers. First troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, then ionosphere, then exosphere. So this is the structure of the atmosphere. We call it structure of the atmosphere. Okay? Now first come troposphere. Now troposphere, this is the most important layer and it is the lowermost layer. The height of this layer is 8 km over the poles and 18 km over the equator. Okay? And here the temperature decreases with height. You see, I have shown the temperature is decreasing. So temperature is decreasing. This blue line indicates the temperature is decreasing with the height. And all the important life-supporting gases are found in this particular layer. So the importance I have written, you see all the weather phenomena occurs and important gases are found here like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, all these gases are found in this particular layer. So this layer is very important for us. Now where this layer ends, the ending point, the boundary between the next layer and the troposphere is called tropopause. Pause means stops. So the troposphere stops and the new layer starts. And the name of the new layer is stratosphere. Now this stratosphere is extended up to 50 km. In this stratosphere, the temperature again starts to increase with height. See, the temperature is increasing. Now the temperature is increasing and this layer helps the jet planes to fly. Why? Because this layer there is no clouds. So that's why the jet planes prefer to fly through this layer. Now another important thing about the stratosphere, within the stratosphere, the 35 km up to 35 km there is ozone layer. Means that we can see the concentration of ozone. This ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now where the stratosphere ends and the next layer starts, that boundary is called stratopause. So the stratopause is the boundary between the stratosphere and the next layer, that is mesosphere. Now comes the mesosphere. Now the mesosphere, it is up to 80 km. Now this mesosphere is the coldest layer. You see again the temperature is decreasing and this is the coldest layer and it helps from the meteors. The meteors bounce up in this layer. Now where this mesosphere ends and a new layer starts, that boundary zone is called mesopause. Means it is the boundary between the mesosphere and the next layer, that is ionosphere. It is called mesopause. Now the next layer is the ionosphere. Now this ionosphere is extended up to 400 km. Now this ionosphere, it is composed of ionized particle. That's why the name ionosphere. Okay? So ionosphere got its name from the negatively and the positively charged particles called ions. That's why it is called ionosphere. The temperature again starts to rising in this layer and you see it helps in communication and broadcasting of radio and television. That means you are talking about the mobile, you are using the internet, you are watching television, we are hearing the radio. This is possible because of this ionosphere. Now after the ionosphere, beyond 400 km, we call it exosphere, which merges with the space. That is called exosphere. We know very little about the exosphere. Why? Because very less experiment or very less research has been done about the exosphere. So we call this total the structure of the atmosphere. It is the structure of the atmosphere. Structure of the atmosphere. Previously we have read about the composition, now we have read about the structure of the atmosphere. Now from the composition and the structure, what we can start? We can now say about the significance of the atmosphere. So our next topic will be significance of the So now we will read about the significance or the importance of the atmosphere. So you have read about the composition of the atmosphere, the structure of the atmosphere. So from that we can come to know that atmosphere is consisting of life-supporting gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide. It protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun because we already have said that ozone layer is present. Next, it helps in communication because the ionosphere is present. It protects us from the meteors. So these are the major importance or the significance of the atmosphere. If you can collect more importance or more significance, that also will be excellent. Now, apart from this, some important terms related to this atmosphere chapter, like normal Napster. Now, what is normal Napster? See, I have written decrease in temperature with increased height in atmosphere at the rate of 1 degree centigrade for 165 meter. So I have said while saying about the troposphere, the temperature decreases in the temperature with height. So that rate is 1 degree centigrade for 165 meter, and that is called normal Napster. And we have talked about the ozone layer, and we have said that ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now this ozone layer is getting depleted. Depleted means this ozone layer is getting thin. So this depletion of ozone layer into gases like CFC is called ozone hole. Okay? So this is all about the chapter atmosphere. I think it will help you to acknowledge your knowledge about this chapter, and please follow this, whatever has been said. So this is all for today. Thank you and stay home.